Walmart, Max. He pulled a freaking. That's the pack I was gonna get. Show him the card that you got. It was a really card from SummerSlam. Is it SummerSlam?
Yeah, but it's a good one.
Number to 50. That's the pack I was gonna get, but then I told him just get that one instead. You get it. So I'm actually taking one of these. They said it was okay to take it. Foam platinum cardboard.
And I'm going to take this because he took too long to get it.
No. Sit. All right, go ahead. You're not gonna get nothing out of there.
Let me get one out.
All right, there you go.
Go ahead.
You sure?
Yeah, but can I at least open it? I've never done opening one of those before.
I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if they got more of them.
No more. Target to us, but not yet.
Look, they got sleeves and everything here. Like, I've been missing out on Walmart. Like, I don't really like coming here, but the only reason why I come here is for the cards. You know what I mean? So, I don't know. We'll see what else we can find. Hey, what's good? Arn back with more basketball, and this time I got this tennis basketball picked up from freaking Walmart. I don't really go to Walmart that much. I mean, it's not like me to go to Walmart, but my friend wanted me to go with him, so I'm like, yeah, sure, why not? And then I saw a whole bunch of freaking boxes of these, and then a whole bunch of packs of different stuff, from 2 years ago, and I'm like, oh, okay. This was apparently it's on sale, so they still got a whole bunch of them. But yeah, I just picked this one up because I never got one of these hanger boxes. Never bought any retail status from this season, so also it's part of a TBT, so decided to take advantage of that as well. Alright, then I'll open it from. There we go. Alright, so there is the box. There's 40 cards. Find 4 exclusives. This one's easy to open. Alright. Okay. Not sure what to expect from this. I don't have such a great luck with hanger boxes like that. First card, Gary Harris, Donovich, DeMar DeRozan, back with the Raptors, Booker, Irvin, I really love this design. Like, I don't know what the hell they were smoking. The previous, the last one from last season, they came out with. I don't really understand what they did, but I mean, compared to this, doesn't even come close to this. Vince Carter. I don't know what's going on with Vince Carter, if he's going to play another season or not. He's a free agent, but I don't know if he's going to return to the Hawks or they're going to resign him. I don't know. Guess we'll find out. James Harden, Horford, Klay Thompson, Chris Dunn. Oops. Jordan Clarkson. I don't think I have this card. Nice. Alright, here comes the different color ones. Parallels. Isaiah Thomas, Steven Adams, Bam Adebayo, and Kyle Kuzma, rookie. Nice. Pretty cool. Got the Kuzmania. Jawan Evans, rookie credentials. Looks like there's no hit in this one. Factions, Tragic, Waiters, and Whiteside. A couple more rookies, Dennis Smith Jr. and Justin Jackson. Another Kuzma, Derek White rookie, Malik Monk rookie, Frank Jackson, Harry Giles, Markkanen, Bacon, and Jared Allen. He's doing phenomenal. Let's see how he does next season. It looks like he's going to be a great star. I'm sure he's still in Brooklyn. So we'll see how they do with Durant. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Not a lot of great stuff from there, but I don't know. I'm definitely not picking another box up. I just bought this just for the fun of it, but yeah, it is what it is. You lose some, you win some, you win some, you lose some. Anywho, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.